Yeah. Big face. Donnie. Hey, Snooty Banks, where you at, man?
We run the streets.
Hey, y'all. M. Kendall. Shank. Mother. I had to get a couple shout outs first. You know what I'm saying? It's been a while, man. I don't forget where I came from. Yeah, I don't surround myself with niggas that ain't about money. Those be the ones that be trying to take from me. Adding up my lay and my jewelry, scheming, scared to get his own. He a nut, semen, stiffer than cement. Never make a move, you better off in the precinct. You worrying about what we spent. Brand new Maybach, that's a lot of legs room. I fucking watch TV, I call it my bedroom. Never had shit, so it was big coming to me. I was fucking up money like it did something to me. Make a stack spend most, make a dime spend half. But when my line came, it wasn't funny like Sinbad. I done seen a lot of things in my life, and because I did wrong, made a nigga feel right. I chased that money all day, all night. What the fuck could you tell me? Your pocket's too light. What's up? What's up? That's the single. Smelling like money, gon' cover all angles. Kev, Meek, O, Gilly, Black show love. The city got a banger now. Give me my Pringles. You ain't never heard a sound like mine. I got keys to get them open. You sound like 9. They used to try to compare me to Drake, and now that they're listening, they ain't saying that. But wait, I was singing and rapping when he was acting on Degrassi, but I wasn't first to be seen on your plasma. Cooking up crazy, digging niggas 6 feet. Too many bodies, now I'm hot. Fish grease, they know I'm coming, they see my animals running. Demand cheese while I'm forcing the stampede. Name another team that's out there cooler. We chillin', something like Alex the Jeweler. Holla, big face. Donnie.